Hey kids, do you think the table of 7 is tricky? What if I told you you can learn it in just a few minutes? Hello everyone, welcome back to our learning channel. In our multiplication series, we have already learned some fun tables, and today we are going to learn the table of 7 in a super easy and fun way. So sit straight, get ready, and let's begin. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are how much children? 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are how much children? 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. This is a quick trick. The table of 7 grows by adding 7 each time. So if you know 7, just keep adding 7 again and again. Easy, right? Children, now it's your turn. What is 7 into 4? 28. And what is 7 into 8? 56. Yay! You just learned the table of 7. Keep practicing every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye kids.